get started. Is open. Let's take a look inside. The first thing you're going to see is the chain motor. And next to the chain motor, you're going to have a bag. This is the chain bag. This is where we're going to be storing the chain as, of course, we use and deploy the chain hoist. This particular hoist is equipped with 24 meters of chain, so it's all going to fit in here. I'm going to put that to the side. And after that, you're going to find the power cable, the chain hoist, and the chain inside a plastic bag. Remember, the chain is going to be greasy and it's in a plastic bag to try and keep everything from getting messy. As far as the hoist itself, it is equipped with 2 handles as well as a hoisting or lifting point. If you wanted to get the hoist physically out of the box, we recommend that you have 2 people. This is a team lift, so you're going to be able to do that. Now, the other thing that you could use is some mechanical advantage, such as a hoist or a winch, to connect to the hoist and lift it out of the box. So again, quick recap. You have your new hoist. You're going to need some PPE to carry out the work, a few tools to carry out the unboxing and the removal of the tape and the staples. And once you actually open the box, you're going to find 1 chain motor with the amount of chain that you purchased, and of course the chain bag that is included to store the chain that comes with your chain hoist.